Why one bathroom costs 70,000, the other bathroom costs 40,000? That's a great question. There's a couple of factors in here. I'm gonna break it down. Let me bring it to a budget. Let me just bring it to a real project. This bathroom right here was built, it's about 20 years old. This is what the brand new bathroom looks like. This is what the old bathroom was looking like. Remember, this house is only 20 years old. Let's take a look. This other bathroom, what the selections look like, and what's the main factor of the pricing. If you see this bathroom right here, this is the tile selection right here. And let me just bring you to what the bathroom actually looks like when it's done and finished. This right here is $73,000 bathroom. If you see, it's a lot more tile work, and also between one material and the other one, this is marble. It's white, beautiful marble. The other one is porcelain, and also it's a lot more. So it's finished products are a big factor, but the main factor or main driving price is plumbing and electric. And obviously the final selections. But let me just break it down for you guys. What a house was built 100 years old look like. See that plumbing right there? All this plumbing needs to be upgraded. Let me bring it to the bathroom. Was in 20 years old bathroom. Let's take a look at the plumbing. See that plumbing right there? You have the PVC plumbing right here. So basically you don't have to do nothing to it. Now 50 years old bathroom, the plumbing system was different, a little different. They were copper pipes. So copper pipe, when the very inside gets gets built in, the debris kills copper, and then you have a pinch holes on the pipe. So eventually you have little leaks on the pipe, on the copper. So copper was good. I think I would say between copper and cast iron. Cast iron probably was a little better than copper, I think. But copper was a lot more expensive, so they thought it was a good idea about 50 years ago. Not anymore. So now everything is PVC. PVC will last a long time. We have this product a long time, and we haven't had any problem. So those are factors will change the price a lot. Plumbing, also electric, also demolition. So look at the demo for a bathroom. Demo for a bathroom is clean, a lot more. Demo for a bathroom. I'm sorry. This is not a demo. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong picture. Okay, demo for a bathroom, for a new bathroom. What is the demo for a new bathroom? Well, I'm on the plumbing, right? Yeah. So demo for a newer bathroom. This is what it looks like. See that? This drywall walls. So it's very easy. You just get the drywall and pull out. So demo, let's get less intensive. Also at the end, what will drive the price up and down is the final selections. And I'm gonna go there. Here's the final selection. We make it easy for understanding, but the tile right here is only $1,551. For this other bathroom, the tile selection was marble. Obviously the house is a lot more older, so you gotta really have in mind about how old is the house and what you want the house bathroom to look like. You don't want to have a very modern bathroom in old home. Kind of looks kind of bad. All right, so this is the tile work around. You see a lot of detail. There's a lot of border. All is marble. So a lot of prep work. It's a lot more labor intense, and also the material itself is more expensive. This right here, the labor for the material for this bathroom itself was $7,200. If you see between 1,500 and 7,000, it's what, 5,500 spread difference. So that's one thing. Also bathtub, finished fixtures. So all those will increase your price. So why one bathroom costs more and the other one costs less? Depends on the year where the house was built. Depends on the final selection. Also, if your house is built 100 years old, you budget to upgrade the plumbing and electric. If it's 50 years old, you budget to upgrade the drain system, the pipe, the PVC, just because it's copper. The new bathrooms, you change the layout, change the layout of the bathroom, move things around, you need to upgrade the plumbing. Other than that, you're good with the plumbing. So I hope that answered your question, and thank you so much for being here, and I appreciate the time you put into it.